Namaskar, my name is Meenakshi and I am a certified yoga instructor. Today I am going to tell you a few breathing exercises which are going to improve your respiration problem if you have any, and even if you do not have any kind of problem, you should practice all these exercises on a regular basis to improve your health from inside. First I am doing deep inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath inside, fill up your lungs with oxygen and slowly exhale out. Inhale, exhale. In. Now we are going to do Anulom Vilom. We will close our right nostril with the help of our thumb. Inhale from the other nostril, then close the second nostril and exhale from the first one. Now inhale from the second nostril and exhale from the other. Repeat this cycle 12 to 15 times initially. Later on, you can increase it according to your capacity. This will help to cleanse your sinuses. It has benefited me a lot. I am telling you with my personal experience because I was also a sinus patient earlier, and it has helped me a lot in improving. So just inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Keep doing this. Inhale, close the nostril, exhale, then inhale from the same nostril and exhale from the first one. Next we are going to do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is actually not a pranayam, it is a Shuddhi Kriya. It is a cleansing process. It cleanses your frontal lobe, your forehead, all the toxins comes out through your nostrils when you force out the oxygen. While exhaling, your abdomen should go inside. You just need to focus on your exhalation. Inhalation will come naturally. Initially, if you are doing it in a right way or not, you can keep your one hand on your navel button to see if it is going in the right direction or not. While exhaling, your abdomen should go in. Do this for 2 minutes. It improves your metabolism, make you thinner, and cleanses all your toxins. Exhale. And take a deep breath inside. Take a normal breath. If you are tired in between, and then again start. Do this for 2 minutes at least, and later you can increase up to 5 minutes. Next we are going to do is Antar Kumbhak. Inhale, fill your lungs with oxygen and hold it for 10 counts, and then slowly after 10 counts exhale through your nostrils Exhale out completely so that your lungs squeeze. There is no oxygen left inside your lungs. Then only you will be able to inhale maximum oxygen the next time. Do this for 5 times initially. You can increase gradually up to 10 to 15 times in the later stages. Inhale, hold your breath for 10 counts, and then slowly exhale out completely. After Antar Kumbhak, we are going to do Bahya Kumbhak. We will inhale first, exhale then completely. Touch your chin to your chest, suck your abdomen in and hold this position for 10 counts again. Even if you are not able to hold it for 10 counts initially, it's okay. Do according to your capacity. After holding for 10 counts, inhale and make your head straight. Take a normal breath in between and then start again. Inhale, exhale completely, touch your chin to your chest, suck your abdomen in, hold this position for 10 counts. Always between Antar Kumbhak and Bahya Kumbhak, take a normal breath in between. And relax. Next pranayam that we are going to do is Brahmari. Close your both the ears tightly with your thumb. Spread your fingers on your face, 2 near your lips, 2 near your nose, 2 on your eyes, and 2 fingers on your forehead. Place them gently, don't press. Inhale, and while exhaling, make a humming sound. Your lips should be closed, but you can keep a slightly gap between your teeth. Inhale. Feel the vibrations in your brain. This is very beneficial even if you have migraine. The vibrations helps to connect between the right side of the brain and the left side of the brain. Do this for 3 times at least, 3 to 5 times, and then slowly bring your hands down. Always keep your eyes closed during pranayam. Next we are going to do Bhastrika. Make a fist with your hands. While inhaling, stretch your hands up, spread your fingers, and while exhaling, forcefully bring your hands down. Do this for 10 to 20 counts. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Forcefully exhale through your nostrils and then gently keep your hands on your knees. Another variation in this is while inhaling, make a fist near your chest, push, and exhale, pull and inhale. Keep your elbows at the back while inhaling, and while exhaling, spread your fingers and push them forward. Do this also 10 to 20 times and sit straight. And now while exhaling, we will say Omkar 3 times. We have bifurcated Omkar in 3 parts. It's A, U and Ma. So we will inhale. Stretch it as long as possible according to your capacity. While exhaling, we will say Omkar 3 times. After saying Omkar for 3 times, gently rub your palms till it becomes warm. Then place it on your eyes gently. Make some circular motions clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 to 5 times, slowly and gently. Slide your hands through your face and then open your eyes in your palms. Thank you.